We had a problem in our first assignment to identify broadcast and collision domains. So let's take a look at that. First, I'm going to separate the broadcast domains. Now, broadcast domains are separated by routers. So everything off of these routers here. So I have everything going off this way from this router will be broadcast domain number 1. Everything here in the middle between these two will be broadcast domain number 2, and then everything off to the right of this will be broadcast domain 3. So I've got 3 broadcast domains here separated by routers. Now let's take a look at collision domains. Everything off of a switch is a collision domain. So I've got 1 coming off here, number 2 coming off, number 3 coming off, and number 4 coming off. So I got 4 collision domains here. Now this number 4, I can't use that twice. So even though it comes off a router, and routers do separate collision domains, I can't assign, this is a 1 domain here. I can't use it. I can't call it 2 different domains, so it's all just number 4. So number 4 is just this segment right through here. Number 5 will be this segment here. So that will be collision domain 5. Now everything that comes off of this router here is all 1 collision domain. I'm going to call that 6. And that's because hubs do not separate collision domains. So this is all still part of 6 down here, and this is all part of 6 here. This is all part of 6 here. So all of this section over here is collision domain number 6. So there we have it. We have 6 collision domains and 3 broadcast domains.